You'll have to pay the toll.
That's nice. There you go. $1,000.
Thank you.
Can I get past now?
Hey, I'm not finished yet. We're looking for a squirrel. And I think by the description given to me that you are a squirrel.
I am not a squirrel.
Yes, you are. You fit the description perfectly.
Oh, really? And could you describe this description to me?
Well, short, red fur, a big bushy tail, and a twitchy nose. You're a squirrel, all right. And you're coming with me.
Look, I tell you I'm not a squirrel. Get your hands off me.
What are you then?
I'm an elephant. Squirrels aren't short and furry. They're big and gray.
What?
Yeah, that's the twitchy noses.
They don't have them?
No, they're long and snouty. And they also have flappy ears.
Are you sure?
Course I'm sure. See ya.
There's nothing quite like a good Now then, what? It's all right. That's not a squirrel. He's an elephant. An elephant. You stupid twat.
Oh yeah, let's see.